Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make donburi. Donburi is basically like a bowl of rice with a topping of chicken or pork, cutlet pork or beef or seafood and covered by eggs, steamed eggs, okay? So it's basically like chawan mushi but in a dish, a rice dish. Okay, so today I'm going to show you the easiest way to make donburi. Okay, let's start. Onion. We will slide the onion. What we use for onion is we use a quarter of onion. Okay, a quarter. So, slide. Mushroom. One clove of garlic, and now I'm gonna prepare the sauce. Okay, we're gonna start with the dashi. Dashi is like the Japanese stock made from something like this. Here, this is a katsuobushi. We use this one to make dashi. Okay. Now we're gonna boil some water first. Okay, to make some dashi, you get some water, like 2 liters of water. Boil it. When the water boils like this, turn off the heat. Okay, and then you put 10 grams of katsuobushi in here, and leave it like this for 15 minutes. Okay? So to make the sauce, first you get the 80 ml of dashi water, and then 20 ml of Kikkoman soy sauce, 20 ml of mirin, 5 grams of sugar. Mix it up to dissolve the sugar. That's the donburi sauce. So today I'm gonna use chicken. So chicken in donburi they will call oyakodon. Oyako is mean mother and son. So chicken and egg is related somehow, but I don't know which one is mother, which one is son. Which one comes first? Let me know in the comment below. Okay. So I will use the fillet only. I will skin off the chicken, get the skin off, and then I will cut it to bite size like this. So this chicken here I have about 150 grams. Okay, bite size like this, that's fine. Okay. And now we start to make the donburi, okay? Oyakodon. Half tablespoon of oil, a little bit, not too much. Or you just don't use the oil, that's fine. Okay, oil get hot, put in the chicken. Flip it over and get the nice golden brown color like this. You see that? Nice golden brown color. Then we add the garlic, onion, and mushroom in and stir fry together. Okay, so when the vegetable and the chicken start to smell good, add the donburi sauce in. Turn the heat down to low heat and then cover with lid. So when you wait for your chicken to start to cook, we get the eggs. Here I have 2 small eggs. In Vietnam, egg is very small like this, so I use 2. If in your country the egg is large enough, you just use 1. So here I use 2. Add in some chopped onions, spring onions, and then whisk it. Meanwhile, prepare a bowl of rice. So when the chicken is cooked, we take the lid off, and then with the egg that you already whisked like this, you pour on top like this. So the egg still running like this, that's fine, okay? Now we're gonna put on top of the rice like this, okay? How's that? Then you're gonna put some smitchy chili flake like this. Okay, so it's done. It's so easy, right? Let's try it. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment below, okay? I think it's really easy this one, oyakodon, but also my favorite. And it's so easy to do, right? Let's try it. Yummy. How runny is the eggs? So the chicken been marinated with the ginger juice, and then it's cooked with onions, with mushroom, and the sauce, and covered by the eggs. And the egg is still soft and runny. It's so good dish to try, guys, and easy to do at home. It's my favorite dish. Actually, I eat this one every week. Yummy. It's so good, guys. Very, very good dish, okay? So oyakodon is my favorite dish, period. I love it so much. I hope you guys love this one as well. I hope you guys success with this one. If you try this one at home and success and love it, please give me a thumbs up, okay? And subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and see you next time.